Hi guys, Alex at KidCheck. So a lot of you know me as the CEO of KidCheck, but probably not a lot of you guys know that I'm also one of our software developers. I've been writing code for a very long time, and it's really a lot of fun. One of the most satisfying things that I get to do is when we have an engineering problem that is really complex, and we're able to come up with a really simple and elegant solution to that problem, so that when you guys get the code and you're using the application, it just seems second nature to be able to use and manage it. Well, I am really excited to come and tell you about a new feature that we've got within KidCheck because it really speaks to that. So a couple of years ago, we had this idea: what if customers could get rid of check-in stations completely? What if you didn't need a computer all over the place within your facility to allow parents to check in and out? What if you didn't need to worry about spotty Wi-Fi or difficult networking connections or even temporary facilities? What if you could use the smartphone that parents have in their hands when they walk into your building as the check-in station? So just this last Tuesday, we launched a new version of KidCheck that includes a feature called KidCheck Express. And KidCheck Express is exactly that. And in fact, if you are a subscriber and user of KidCheck, you've got it right now. So I thought, I'm in my car here. I'm actually in the parking lot of my church, and I wanted to show you what KidCheck Express looks like and how parents can actually use it. So hang with me, and I'm going to give you a quick demonstration. Okay, so I've got our parent app loaded on my phone. I just downloaded this from the Apple App Store, and there's a new button down here in the bottom that just says check-in. So as a parent, I just click check-in, and I can start the process of creating a new KidCheck Express check-in. The way that I do that, again, we just push the new check-in button up here. I'm going to select the location that I'm going to check into. So in this case, it's going to be Vineyard, Boise. Pick the service that I want to check into. So let's do the 9 a.m. service. I'm going to select the kids that I want to check in. So let's check in my daughter Madison. I can pick the location I'm checking her into, the number of labels to print, add any notes. I can also check in other children that I'm authorized to check in. But let's just do Madison for right now. If I'm a volunteer at that location, I can check in as a volunteer here as well. Or I get some additional options here. I can select the location that I'm going to be. So I'm going to be in the sanctuary. And any additional options. So I can select a pickup guardian or print an extra guardian label. Let's go ahead and do that. And then hit next. And while I'm en route to the church, that's all I have to do. So while I'm en route to church, my iPhone switches to this mode, which is looking for a KidCheck Print Hub Express. And once I get within range, typically about 100 feet or so of that, this gray button will go green and allow me to complete the check-in. If my church doesn't have Print Hub Expresses, I can also just do a manual check-in. I just scan in this QR code at the check-in station, or I can just type in my phone number at a regular computer-based check-in station and complete my express check-in. So let's drive up to the church here, and I'll see if I can show you what it looks like when I get within range. So here at the welcome counter, we've got our regular Dymo printer, and then we've also got our KidCheck Print Hub Express, which is just a small little box that plugs directly into the printer. No computer needed. This is all that you need to make Express check-in work. And then I've got my regular app here. I've got my check-in ready. This is the check-in that I created in the car on the way here. So as a parent, I'm going to select that check-in. And now that I'm within about 30 feet or so of my Print Hub Express here, my system detects that it's in an area that can complete check-in. It'll tell me which printer that it's detected, and all I need to do is click Submit Check-in. So let's go ahead and do that. And the labels just come right off. I also got my text message receipt, and everything says that it's ready to go. So now I'm fully checked into my church. I didn't need any kind of computer or check-in station other than my phone. And that's it. I just did check-in at my church with no computer and just using my smartphone and the KidCheck mobile app. So now there is a ton of features and settings and different things you can do to really customize the experience for your parents. So if you want more information or need some training on it, just give us a call. It's all the training's free. It's included with your account. So call up one of our sales reps, and they can walk you through anything that you need to know. But that's basically it. So the App Store app has been uploaded. We haven't officially announced this yet, by the way. This is all, I'm giving you guys kind of a sneak peek of how this whole thing works. But it's available right now. All the software is deployed, and your church can start using Express Check-in today if you want. So anyway, really excited. It really simplifies a lot of things, helps churches out a lot, reduces your costs and expenses in terms of managing and maintaining computers, and allows you to leverage the technology that's in most parents' pocket anyway. So if you have any questions, give us a call or check us out on the web at kidcheck.com, and we'll talk to you later.